words that I don't say beneath your sacred nights and days, through the gales of life and laughter, when you can't see what you're after. The evenings and the afternoons are measured out in coffee spoons between the sunshine and the rain. I thought I'd something more to say. It's a new life for the neighbors, live the name in all the papers. Don't you know? Don't you know? Should we go out for a laugh? I've a faded photograph of one day in some September that we had and can't remember. And should your God refute the facts and science not take up the slack, you could get your money back for all you want and all you have. It's a new day for the neighbors, live the name in all